This is going to show you two different ways to subtract 372 minus 134. The first way is to break apart 134, so the number that we're subtracting, into 100, 3 tens, and 4 ones. We're getting that 4 ones from here, 3 tens from here, 100 from here. So now that we've broken it apart, we're going to subtract the 100 because there's just 100 here. So 372 minus 100 is going to give us 272. Then we need to subtract the tens. So 272 minus 3 tens. Notice I subtracted the 30 that I got from here. And 272 minus 30 is 242. I just did 7 minus 3, and that gave me the 4. Then we're going to subtract the ones. We have 4 ones to subtract. So 242 minus 4 is going to give us 238. Now notice, because I didn't have enough ones, I only had 2 ones, I had to go down a tens place. Another way is to subtract easier numbers. So 130 is easier to subtract than 134 because there's no ones. So when you do that, you do 2 minus 0, which is 2, 7 minus 3, which is 4, and 3 minus 1, which is 2. So notice I wrote that here. 2 minus 0 is 2, 7 minus 3 is 4, 3 minus 1 is 2. Now we need to subtract the ones that we didn't subtract here. So we have 4 ones left to subtract. So we're going to subtract those 4 ones. 2 minus 4, we can't do that. So I need to regroup. So I'm going to cross out that 4. I'm going to turn it into a 3. I'm going to cross out that 2, turn it into a 12. Now we can do 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 is 8. And then we're going to bring the 3 and the 2 straight down. So we have that same answer, 238 here and 238 here. Same answer to the same equation, we just did it in 2 different ways. So this way we subtracted the hundreds, tens, and ones, and this way that we just made an easier number to subtract. So we took away those ones and subtracted 130, and then subtracted those 4 ones last.